Benares, the most sacred Hindu city in India, older than history, lying on the banks of the holy Ganga where people come to wash away their sins.
From the busy road behind Tulsi Ghat, a quiet little gully called us to follow towards the left. Down the street, a little shop was nestled in the corner where an old lady named Shanti was sitting behind the counter, busy selling small packets of biscuits and candies to the children from the nearby school. A little further ahead, another shop was selling groceries and puja articles near the mandir. Both of these stores are owned and operated by women of all ages.
A red railing caught our attention and led us to the magnificent Lolar Kund. Ahead of it, we discovered the Agrawal Toys Emporium, run by Shubhi Agrawal and her father Bihari Lal Agrawal. Situated next to a temple with bells ringing and birds chirping all around, the emporium was very pleasant. Initially fascinated by the shop, what we liked more was the peace and the comfort of the place.
The women enter from the back gate as they are not allowed to use the front door to avoid tracking in mud. They scan their thumb to mark their presence and do the same while leaving. They start unpacking the stuff and setting up their workplace as soon as they come.
से बहुत अनेक लोग जुड़े रहते हैं। ये तो खाली नाम रहता है खिलौना है, लेकिन इससे कितने लोगों का पेट चलता है।
सही में।
दुकानदार बेचते, व्यापारी भी कमाते। अगर 10 पैसे का है तो ग्राहक के हाथ में पहुँचते पहुँचते वो 100 पैसे का हो जाता है।
The chai wale bhaiya comes and serves chai to everyone, irrespective of whether they are a worker or a tourist.
Artisan sitting outside. He's a 72-year-old man. You come, he makes all the by hand. The cutting and the carving and fixing everything.
हमारे ये वाले आ रहे हैं।
ये येलो वाले को, ये वो आके बस उसमें काम करेंगे, दोनों में पॉलिश लगेगा, ठीक है। हाँ, और एक जो तोता में हरा रंग लगाने को बोले थे ना फाइनल, एक तोता में मिल में।
A group of women was sitting in the middle of a space, painting some wooden articles that looked like minions. The toys look simple, but making one requires time and patience. In this place alone, 30 to 35 artisans work on site, while an estimated 70 families work from their homes. The artisans sit half under the shed and half in the sun.
They use a corrugated sheet to dry the articles so that the Asian paint does not stick to the surface and gets enough space to dry.
लगा के
Light weight, but हल्का
टिफिन आप घर से लेके आए?
हाँ बेटा,
आप भी खा लीजिए, थैंक यू।
खाएंगी? नहीं
While listening to them, we realized that whatever may occupy their lives, work never stops. When they asked me to paint one minion, I realized that the technique they use is unique and required skills.
खिलाड़ी हम लोगों के प्रदेश में
कोई
खुद
खिलाड़ी
ही
मारता नहीं है, उसका पोच जो रहता है ना, लोग उसको मतलब इस तरह का पकड़ता है कि उस पोच काट के छोड़ देता है, फिर उन लोगों को पोच पड़ जाता है.
Belonging to a family that had practiced this craft for generations, master artisan Vishnu uncle now taught these women these skills so they could learn and earn for themselves and be independent, and this independence started with their comfort in the space itself.
आइडिया बताओ पगला ये चलाओ पहले चलाओ.
ये ये क्या लगा रहे हैं आप? पॉलिश भी लगा रहे हैं, शाइनिंग कर रहे हैं.
कोटिंग भी हो जाएगा, पानी उनी नीचे रहेगा.
गिर जाएगा, गिरबेगा नहीं.
ये हो गया आपका? After they apply a coat of varnish, they keep it to let it dry sometimes on the terrace according to the weather conditions prevailing.
Many other tourists came and went, just as intrigued as us, from India and all over the world, while Shubhi Didi told them about the place and the women who were working there.
All the lifetime. Even with God ideals or something will take 30 years, 40 years, same. Nothing would happen to it. With a Hanuman, a monkey god.
Have you got a flying Shiva?
Yes, I have
You
a
do?
picture.
Oh my god, could be my moment.
Different gods.
Yeah, Hanuman's there. Which
Yeah,
one's
and
better?
the Ganesha also.
Oh, Ganesha.
नहीं ये ले उधर मेरा घर में छोटा बेबी आया है. Is your children are like small?
No. Okay, no.
I'm just taking it.
iPad, internet.
रीगल अग्रवाल.
और आपका शुभी अग्रवाल. और आपके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
अपने बारे में क्या जो बिजनेस हमारा उसके बारे में.
किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बताइए.
हम लोग का ये बिजनेस जो है हैंडीक्राफ्ट का है, इलेक्ट्रिक खिलौने का है. ये 75 साल पुराना है और इसको मेरे पिताजी और मेरे दादाजी किया करते थे. इसी काम को हम कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद मेरी बेटी भी मेरे साथ इसी काम कर रही है. और क्योंकि ये हाथ से बनी कला है तो इसको करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और हमारे साथ 300 आर्टिजन का परिवार जुड़ा हुआ है.
Art is not only about the manufacturing process but also about the artisan's life. Seeing so many women run enterprises together drew us towards the place even more. They spoke of the power that women have. A string ties the making of toys to generating income to put food on the table for families.